According to Reuters, Tesla suspended most of its production work in the last week of December. The Tesla Shanghai factory cancelled the morning shift and notified all workers in the manufacturing center that they can take a vacation. In fact, before this, Reuters had revealed that Tesla plans to suspend the production of Model Y models at the Shanghai factory from December 25 to January 1. At the time, Tesla denied the news. However, judging from the current situation, the news released by Reuters is basically true. Why did Tesla's Shanghai factory stop production at the end of 2022? After all, the Shanghai factory undertakes nearly 50% of Tesla's global production capacity. The Tesla cars produced at the Shanghai factory not only supply the Chinese market, but also supply overseas markets, and it is Tesla's most important production base. Because the production capacity of the Shanghai factory is too good, Tesla is also planning to build a second factory in Shanghai to meet Tesla's global orders. During the period of China's power cuts, the Shanghai local government also specifically asked China to give priority to guaranteeing the production capacity of the supply chain of Tesla and other car companies. If there is no unexpected situation, Tesla will never stop production easily. Why did Tesla decide to suspend production early in the last week of 2022? In my opinion, there are three main reasons for this. In today's video, let's talk about this topic. Okay, let's get started. Why did Tesla decide to suspend production early in the last week of 2022? First of all, the infection rate of Omicron in Shanghai has gradually reached its peak. On December 22, the search volume for the Shanghai epidemic reached its peak. This means that in the next week, many citizens of Shanghai will face the impact of Omicron, and Tesla workers are no exception. The production line requires a high degree of coordination. It does not mean that some workers are on leave due to illness, while others can continue to work. On one production line, when workers in key positions call in sick due to Omicron infection, the entire production line struggles to operate. The vacancy rate has hit Tesla's production line to some extent. Secondly, the arrival of Christmas and New Year's Day will further expand Tesla's job vacancy rate. Tesla's Shanghai factory also has many engineers and managers sent from the United States. During Christmas, foreign workers are off, and on New Year's Day, Chinese workers are off. Omicron had already left many workers absent due to illness, and the arrival of Christmas and New Year's Day amplified the rate of absenteeism at Tesla's Shanghai factory. Last but not least, at present, Tesla is not easy to sell in the market, and the inventory keeps rising. This is the most fundamental reason. Production capacity follows the orders. When the order volume is large, the boss will urge the workers to work overtime. The most notable case is the Foxconn Group. Whenever a new iPhone is launched, the Foxconn Group has to urgently recruit a large number of workers. The production line is fully fired, 24-hour shifts, manual shifts, machines, and endless production. But when the best-selling period of Apple's new mobile phones has passed, Foxconn will lay off a large number of employees, maintain low-intensity work on the production line, and even shut down some production lines. The biggest problem Tesla is facing now is that there are not enough orders in hand, and the production capacity supply exceeds the ability to obtain orders. In the past, Tesla car sales were mainly pre-sale. After customers placed an order, they generally had to wait 2 to 4 weeks before picking up the car. But now, Tesla's inventory keeps rising. Since the inventory can't be sold out, how can Tesla's Shanghai factory produce at full capacity? In fact, the decline in Tesla's orders has long been foreshadowed. Starting from September 2022, Tesla has launched discounts and price cuts one after another. However, the price cuts have not reversed the continued decline in Tesla's orders. Tesla China's order backlog reached its peak in July, but on July 22, Taiwanese star Jimmy Lin's car accident had a huge negative impact on Tesla. After entering August, Tesla's order volume suffered a cliff-like decline. Then, on November 5, 2022, a car owner in Chaozhou, China drove a Tesla for 2.8 kilometers, resulting in 2 deaths and 3 injuries. The case has not been closed yet. These major traffic accidents have caused serious adverse effects on Tesla's brand reputation. But compared to traffic accidents, Tesla's bigger problem is that its product strength can't keep up. Tesla's Model 3 was released in April 2016, while Model Y was released in 2019. Both models have not had major changes and upgrades for more than 3 years. Compared with fuel vehicles, the replacement of electric vehicles is very frequent, and its technological updates far exceed those of fuel vehicles. The mid-term facelift of BYD Han has been confirmed to be launched in the first half of 2023. But Tesla has not made any news about the mid-term major facelift. At the price of 300,000 yuan, China domestically produced cars include BYD Tang, NIO ET5, Speng G9, Leading Ideal L7, Chikrypton 001, etc. Besides, Mercedes-Benz, BMW and Audi are also accelerating their electrification transformation. In the face of siege, it has become increasingly difficult for Tesla to turn its brand advantage into a sales advantage. However, in such a fierce competition, Musk handed Tesla over to professional managers. Since Musk acquired Twitter, he has devoted almost all his energy to Twitter, and transferred Tesla's managers to work on Twitter, causing serious dissatisfaction among Tesla investors. Correspondingly, Tesla's stock price has been falling endlessly, and the stock price has evaporated by nearly 70% during the year. Musk's inattention to Tesla will naturally be reflected in sales. In the field of electric vehicles, Tesla is the first leader, solving the problem from 0 to 1. However, in the stage of scale from 1 to 100, Tesla lacks affordable cars, and the shortcomings of weak product systems are rapidly magnified. Obviously, Musk lacks lasting enthusiasm for electric vehicles. In Musk's life, he successively founded PayPal, Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, and the tunnel company that built the Hyperloop. Among them, Tesla is not only making electric cars, but also making intelligent robots. Later, Musk acquired Twitter and invested in the research and development of brain-computer chips. This energetic Silicon Valley Iron Man is full of interest in all cutting-edge technological innovations. But this kind of complex capital map also prevents Musk from focusing on Tesla electric vehicles. This paved the way for Tesla's slow progress on the road to scale. In a nutshell, I expect Tesla to cut prices further next year. With the decline of China's new energy vehicle subsidies, 2023 is likely to become the first year of China's electric vehicle price war. The brutal price war will accelerate the elimination of electric vehicle brands, especially joint venture brands that are too slow to transform, and will have a worse life. In addition to high-end joint venture brands such as BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi, joint venture brands such as Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, Kia, Peugeot, Volkswagen, and GM will further be replaced by China's domestic independent brands. So, do you think Tesla is likely to be a survivor? Okay, that's all for today. Please put your comments below, and share your insightful ideas with other people. Do you want to learn about more auto stories? Please keep following our channel and like our videos. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Your precious time with us is highly appreciated. See you.